'79 Trans Am hoodbird install. We are actually going to just show you how quick and easy it is. So basically, the hood is all clean, wax and grease remover. Basically, get any contaminants off of it. Make sure you get all your buffing, polishing, and stuff done, and then use a wax and grease remover to clean it so that it's a nice, clean surface. We're just simply using like a baby shampoo, just a few drops in basically a pump bottle that we put with some water. Spray that on the hood. We will spray that also on the back side of the decal. It's all coming off good and clean. This is a one owner '79 Trans Am out of Phoenix, Arizona. We repainted it here at Restore Muscle Car. It's already been wet sanded, buffed. I want to make sure we wet the back of the bird.
Help put it on, give a little slit to it.
So both surfaces are wet. And it allows us to basically lay the bird down and then move it around. We like to use a soft tape measure. It's like basically for doing measuring fabric.
So with this kind of bird right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very bottom of where the feathers are at, where it actually comes up and meets at a peak. We want to do about 1.5 inches right off the very front of the hood here. So basically, if you take your tape, try to mark this up to about 1.5 inches, and then we'll go ahead and straighten everything out from there.
So we lifted up the bird, applied a little bit more soap and water to the backside of the bird and the hood, and we kind of just shifted it to try and get it centered here. Ryan's going to double check the wing span on the bird and make sure that it's centered up off the corners of the hood.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay.
So now we basically make sure that everything's kind of laid out, and we'll start working from the center out with our decal. So slowly work the bubbles, and you can kind of feel them, you can kind of see them. Get this, make sure this peak is down. You may have to go back and kind of hit it a little bit as you're working the bird, working the feathers, working the bubbles out. And it's like the tail feathers always tend to want to keep lifting until all the air and bubbles and stuff are out. Keep in mind with the hard card that as you come off your backing paper, as you're squeegeeing out, you will scuff your paint. So it's not uncommon. You basically just need to polish it or buff it around those edges after the bird is dried on the car.
Little side tip, if you can keep the buffer off of the bird, that'd be good practice.
They make special chemicals from Phoenix Graphics that actually is used as a conditioner for your hood bird if it's out in the sunlight a lot, or your decals, to try and get more life out of them. Otherwise, typically it's basically just sunlight that can slowly make them fade or dry out over time.
Okay, so typically these will come with either a plastic or a paperback transfer paper.
And the difference is generally isn't the plastic more of a clear?
Yep, plastic is clear. You can kind of see the edges of stuff better. However, usually with the plastic backing, you want to make sure that you give it a little bit more time to sit before you try peeling it off. This here is actually with paper. We can peel it off almost right after we put the bird down. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Depends kind of how it's sticking to the paint, but this one's sticking real well. So you just want to pull nice and slow. Don't want to go too fast. When you do it, make sure you pay attention to the edges. Like this in here, there's a separate piece right here. It comes up. You want to make sure when you're pulling that up, it's not pulling this with the backing paper. Otherwise, you can have some problems with it. Yeah, this is coming off perfect.
If you have concerns, it's always best just to let it sit and dry.
Oh yeah, one last thing with this baby shampoo. When you go to pull this off, if the product dries on the paint, it's not going to harm anything. However, sometimes there are different detail sprays that will not take that product off. So you may have to go back with a little bit of baby shampoo, water solution, wet the surface, and it'll come right off. No problem. Should be streak free as well.
And that's how you install a hood bird on a Trans Am.